In the heart of the 21st century, a wave of change swept through the Middle Eastern and North African region, shaking the foundations of long-standing regimes. This was the Arab Spring, a series of anti-government protests and uprisings that began in 2010 and continued until 2012. The context was ripe for change. Economic hardship, political repression, and widespread disillusionment with the status quo had festered in the region for decades. The people yearned for freedom, justice, and a better future. The first spark was lit in Tunisia. A street vendor named Mohamed Bouazizi set himself on fire in protest against the oppressive regime, igniting a wave of protests that would soon engulf the entire region. The crisis deepened as Tunisians took to the streets, demanding the ousting of President Zine El Abidine Ben Ali. After 23 years in power, Ben Ali fled the country, marking the first domino to fall in the Arab Spring. Egypt followed suit, with protests led by the youth movement, We Are All Khalid said, named after a young Egyptian who was brutally murdered by police. Hosni Mubarak, Egypt's president for nearly 30 years, stepped down after 18 days of unprecedented protests. In Libya, the Arab Spring gave birth to a bloody civil war. Protesters, led by a man named Muammar Gaddafi, took to the streets, demanding an end to his 42-year reign. The conflict escalated into a brutal civil war, culminating in Gaddafi's death in 2011. Syria was another nation gripped by the Arab Spring. Protests against President Bashar al-Assad's regime were met with brutal force, leading to a bloody civil war that continues to this day. The Arab Spring was a roar of hope and change, a cry for freedom that resonated across the Middle East and North Africa. It was a testament to the power of the people, their resilience, and their unwavering demand for a better future. Yet, the consequences of the Arab Spring are still being felt today, as many nations grapple with the challenges of rebuilding and reconciliation. The Arab Spring served as a reminder that the thirst for change is universal, transcending borders and cultures. It demonstrated that even the most entrenched regimes can fall when the people demand it, and it highlighted the importance of standing up for one's rights and freedoms. As we look back on the Arab Spring, we remember the courage of the people who dared to dream of a better future, and we are inspired by their unyielding spirit. Their story is a testament to the power of hope and change, a beacon of light in the darkest of times.